Hi practitioners, it's me Natalie, and I wanted to give a quick brief overview of how to best use Lucidia with your patients and clients if they're suffering from allergies, mostly seasonal, hay fever, pet, mold, those kind of things, less for food allergies. The symptoms are usually, itchy, watery eyes, a lot of sneezing, a little bit for skin. It has a natural antihistamine effect from the fresh freeze-dried stinging nettles. It also has long-term immune benefits, and so it was formulated, to clean the system. 3 of the ingredients there's a lot of research on them that shows they are anti-tumor and anti-cancerous. So it's cleaning the liver, it's cleaning the lymphatic system, it's cleaning up metabolic debris and nourishing and vitalizing the blood. And so it can be a good solution if you have patients who are trying to reduce their medication for whatever reason, and they can use this for immediate relief if it does in fact help them get that. Then it's free to dose as often as possible. It can also, it's like a mop cleaning up the lymphatic and blood system, and all our ingredients are very well sourced. Everything's made here in California. The nettles are usually sourced from organic farm up in the Pacific Northwest, and the mushrooms are grown and extracted by someone very excellent. His name is George Vaughn up in Washington. He's been doing it for over 30 years, and it is his life work is working with mushrooms. Let's see, what else did I want to tell you? So as you know, allergies need to be addressed from all different angles. So whatever work you're doing with them, these are going to work together. The Lucidia is for the relief and the cleansing. If you're an acupuncturist, then you would want to address the constitutional, whether it's a hormone imbalance, liver qi stagnation, liver yang rising. You want to bring that pressure down from the head, right? Or if it's something kidney, if it's something spleen, lung, heart, you want to address that with acupuncture and herbs, and then Lucidia is kind of the relief and cleansing formula. If you are interested in any training for your team, or if you have any questions directly that you want to ask me, we've had many people use it during pregnancy, myself included. I had so many allergies during pregnancy. For children, they use it for their dogs, things like that. But if you want a training for your team or for yourself, please reach out to me with any questions, and I'd love to connect. Bye for now.